You have been roasted enough.
Oh yeah.
Just to review the properties. Log of something plus log of something else equals log of those two things multiplied together.
Log of A minus log of B.
Log of A minus log of B would equal log of A over B.
Why is this so laggy?
Huh?
Why is this so laggy?
Because camera.
I don't know.
Is this the general rules that you were giving us?
Yeah, these are the rules I gave you.
Wait, is that B?
I didn't put bases on these. The bases have to be the same. Like if you had log of A plus log base 4 of B, you can't do anything with that. That is what it is.
Because it's the log. It's the
These
four.
numbers have to be the same.
Gotcha.
If there's nothing there, what is the number that's there?
Base 10.
Isn't it 10? Or is it 1?
It's 10. So addition is multiply, subtract is divide. If you have, I don't remember which way I wrote this. If you have a number in front of a log,
You can just make it a power.
that can become a power. And you can go either way.
You made it from a power to the
Log of
Well,
A.
either way it's true. If you've got a power on that number, you can bring it down in front. Or if it was like even like this, log of B to the A, you can bring it down in front. That was on your placement test today?
Yeah.
No.
Wait, what
It
place?
had like
No,
y
it was freaking
equals
polar.
Oh, an equation?
Polars?
I didn't know
log,
what a polar
and then
graph
it had
is.
three
did
on
it
the
last
seven
year
on
in
top, so then I did
What
the little
placement
arrow
test?
things that
Yeah.
you
For
taught
Big
us,
Bend.
and that's what I
They had.
put
They
as
went
my
to Big Bend.
answer.
That's where they were gone.
They had what? They had polar graphs. What the heck is a polar graph?
Polar coordinates?
A whole bunch of death.
Suck.
Wait, aren't you?
It was like
There's a function of
the
it.
y-axis
WSU?
was one scene and two scene and then
Don't you guys have to take
and
placement
something else.
tests
I'm
though
like, what is
too?
this?
Where's-
graph?
Where's my calculator?
Just your cold.
I don't have to
There was a
take
lot of,
placement
like,
tests.
seven
I don't have to.
I was like, this should
I think I just signed up for my
And then
classes.
there was,
Yeah, it gave me stuff I didn't know.
C-O-T.
I was like, yes.
And all these rules work for ln.
I guess.
Because ln is just log base e, so it's the same thing. So this one, we're going to try to get it down to a single log. I would start inside the brackets. 1/3 ln of y plus, that's going to become ln y plus 4 squared.
Where was this last year?
It would be
I just did that one. Then I would stay inside the brackets and go, ooh, that's addition.
ln y squared plus.
So multiply those. ln of
Why'd
y.
you put the 2 on top? Square.
Because there was a number in front.
So when it's up there, you change
It
it.
could be y squared, right?
If it's in front of the log, you can put it to the power.
Or it'd be
if it's
y
in
to the
power, you can
fourth
put it in
because
front
you
of the
combine the two y's and you
Thank
square it.
you. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Y to the fourth plus 16.
Just trying to help. I apologize.
I think we can actually do this.
That's what I was. Go up, never mind.
No.
Yeah.
Or
so
Because you
y to the
multiply
fourth
4 by
plus-
y2.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Now.
I think that can actually work. In normal math, you can't do, if you have this, it does not equal this.
Why is it so slow?
Because you would have to square first before you multiply. However, I believe with properties of logs, it's okay. I am a little rusty, so no, I'm not 100% sure.
So
I think let's just keep going, see what
so
happens.
84.
See what happens here, you know?
Okay.
Well, let's just do a, I know how to figure this out.
Simplification.
We just do a problem with numbers in it that we know the answer to. That's what you do. If you're like, man, I can't remember, you just do a problem with numbers that you know the answer, and then you'll figure it out. So like, if I have log base, we're going to go log base 2 of 8 plus 2 times log base 2 of 16. Okay? You feel?
Yeah.
You feel? So the answer to this is 3 plus 2 times
Wait, where'd you
4.
get 3?
It's
Another
11.
question.
The answer is 11.
Where'd you get 3?
Where do I get 3? 2 Log base 2 of 8 is 3.
Oh.
2 to what power gives you 8? 3.
Gotcha.
2 to what power gives you 16? 4. 4 times 2 plus 3 is 8.
I wish I knew that today. That would be so nice.
So I should get 11. So let's do what we're just thinking here. So can I go log base 2 of 80 and 48, 128, and then go log base 2 of 128 squared? Do I get 11? I don't think so. 2 to the 11th power is not 128.
It's 128 squared.
Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, that's true.
120 would be way more than 2,000.
Nope, doesn't work. Really? Doesn't work, huh? I'll be damned. Well, that's good. That's good. I'm glad it didn't work personally, because then that's just one less thing I have to remember.
Yeah.
So, okay. It's ln
11
of y times y plus 4 squared.
So you have to do y plus 4 squared. And then multiply that by y.
I'm going to bring that up right now, too, to the 1/3 power.
Is it the 1/3?
Because it's out front.
Oh,
So then you'd have ln of y times y plus 4 squared to the 1/3 divided by y minus 1.
Wait, I thought the power on the outside, like the 1/3, I thought you changed it to a third.
2 to 3?
I thought you were supposed to flip it.
No, no flipping. Like here, I didn't flip it. The 2 just comes up, becomes square.
Are you recording this so I can look this up tomorrow?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. And you could play with that, but here, how about one more, just because that was.
Is that on our homework?
Yeah,
One like that?
yeah.
How much? God damn.
Number 58. 58 is just like that.
I'm working on that right now.
Yeah. So like, here's 50 and 56. Here's 55.
Two of them. Some shots like.
It's all the same rules.
Bump.
So something like that. Where would you start? In here. I would just go, hey, look it. That's easy. That's ln of x plus 3 squared plus ln of x minus ln of x squared minus 1. All that stuff's still there.
Do the addition part first and then the subtraction part.
So yeah, what's ln of x plus 3 squared plus ln of x?
It's x squared plus 6x plus 9. X plus 3 squared.
Don't just keep it simple.
X times x plus 3 squared.
ln of x times x plus 3 squared minus
Oh, yeah.
ln of x squared
Can you
minus
just
1.
put that underneath it already?
We might have to actually do some math here. What?
Can you have just written x plus?
Yeah, you could have just written that underneath it. So it's 1/3 ln of x times x plus 3 squared divided by x squared minus 1. Oh no, that's not going to be factorable.
No.
And then
Move the 1/3 up.
move the 1/3 power up. There you go.
You don't want us to do the inside.
What's wrong, Angelica? It's just these 3 rules.
Oh shoot, you didn't show us those rules.
Number in front, make it a power. Subtraction, divide. Addition, add, or multiply. So you go, here we go.
Show me the.
Number in front, make it a power. That's all I did on that one. Addition, multiply those things. Subtraction, divide those things. Hey, a number in front, make it a power. That's it. 3 rules.
Can you go back over?
Can I see the third rule, please?
It's fucking.
So that's only the first section. There's
Oh.
74 through 82. Ooh, a whole bunch of them say solve without using a calculator.
Oh, well.
So like,
What about from 74 to 81?
yeah, that's these. 75 log base 5 of 75
Oh, so it's what power?
minus log base 5 of 3.
Log base 5 of 75 over 3.
So that would be 2.
75.
5 squared.
That is 2. That is correct. Good job. You did it without.
5 times 5 is 7.
Because
Or 5 times
if you're like 5 to what power gives me 75? 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 100. I can't do it. I can't do it. But look at it. It's subtraction. So you go log base 5, 75 over 3. Oh, hey, that's 25. And log base 5 of 25. 5 to what power gives me 25? 2.
Well, Galen's quick.
That's what.
Bless me.
I paid attention to class with that thirds.
Did she just bless herself over there?
Logs.
It's a reaction. When I'm in my room, nobody says bless me.
How do you get?
I got a good one for you.
Wait, 74 is a solid one, because how do you get the negative?
You know, I'm an odd person, okay?
Log base 10 and 0.
Log base 10 of 0. What do you get?
Nothing.
Can't do it.
Awesome.
That is a possible answer.
It's one where you just give up.
You just can't do it.
Nothing times itself will get you 0.
Not possible.
So when there's a negative,
Pepperoni, pepperoni.
Some of them are not possible in that little section.
Wait, are the bases only positive? Or are the bases only positive?
Can we get started on the homework now?
Wait,
Generally, yeah.
chill.
Can you be negative?
they can it? Because it's like to a certain power.
Negative 2 to some power
Huh?
gives you something.
And I
Generally, those aren't even considered exponentials. I don't think you're going to see that.
I was just wondering.
So are we just going to work on homework the rest of it?
Well, I was going to do a couple more because there's another section, 32. Solving equations. Ooh, and they have this E thingy in there. What is that?
We're talking about sigma.
doesn't you
Solve for X.
Oh, great.
Yes.
So that's ln of x. Or ln of.
I wouldn't even write ln right now. I would just go, because I always do this. I'm like, well, if I have an exponential equation where my variable is in the exponent, you're always going to switch it to log form. So I'm going to be like log, and I know it's this number to this power gives me this. So E is going to go down here. Here's my power, and then here's 12. Okay,
That's how it works too?
log base E is ln, so all I have to do is the ln of 12 divided by 3 in my calculator.
I guess to them.
So it's ln of 4.
No!
Or it's 2 point whatever.
It's the ln of 12 divided by 3, whatever that is. It's not the ln of 4. So you just be like, ln of 12 divided by 3. 0.828. These aren't calculator problems. These are not no calculator. See, if you do ln of 4, you will not get the same thing.
My calculator doesn't have that.
Yeah, it does. It's right next to log. So that's that.
That's why I thought.
These ones are good. I like these problems. That's a good hint for your quiz. 2x minus 4 e to the x minus 5 equals 0.
Wait, what'd you do to both sides?
Did you factor it?
You do factor it.
How?
Yeah.
Well, it's e.
Well, what times what gives you e to the 2x?
E
to the x.
E to the x, because remember when you multiply you add exponents. So it would be e to the x times e to the x gives you e to the 2x. Well, multiplying to 5, it's got to be 5 and 1. Get 4 e to the, oh, that's easy. It's just minus 5 plus 1. And then, how do you solve an equation
Set
once you
equal to 0.
set each factor equal to 0? So e to the x minus 5 equals 0, e to the x plus 1 equals 0.
Then you
Add 5, e to the x equals 5.
Then make it ln,
So make it ln.
and then it's ln of,
Oh my god.
See, it's hard to do in your head. Even I'm just like, I think it's ln of 5. But e to the x power is 5. So it is. ln of 5 is one answer. Whatever that is. Subtract 1. E to the x equals -1. Notice anything?
negative.
Can't do it. You're not going to take a positive number, raise it to a power, and get a negative result.
It's impossible.
So this one gives you nothing. So the only answer is the ln of 5.
Oh, you can't do it to negative power.
Point whatever it is. It's going to be 1 point something.
What's this used for?
Nothing.
Electrical engineering.
Solving exponential equations.
College. It's used for college.
Consumer price. Yeah, it's actually used in business, projecting sales and profits and stuff. They do use exponentials and logs and stuff. What else? So all of those, you're just gonna figure it out. Pretty much, it's isolate the exponential part, ln it. For example,
Lin.
I don't know. You need another example? You could. Ooh.
We're good.
I don't know. 5 to the negative t over 2 equals 0.20. What are you going to do?
What is that?
Lightweight.
Give
You
up.
put that in English?
Just give up.
The log of
Log of
5
minus t divided by 2.
Log of 0.2. No, log of 5.
No.
Wait, it's plus minus.
Log of
Wait,
5.
what the heck?
Isn't
Oh,
it
it's minus
this
two.
number to this power gives you this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but what is the 22 power?
What in the world?
I don't know.
What in target?
How do you do that in a calculator?
Log.
Log of 0.2 divided by log of 5. That's -1. Nice. Oh yeah, because 5 to the -1 is 1/5, and 1/5 is 0.2. Negative t over 2, negative 2 equals negative t, t equals 2.
Whoa.
Question.
Lit.
Could a change just multiply by 2?
Where, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2 log 5, and then, so you could put the 2 up there. Yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff with these.
Do you have to put the 2 in there, or can
You just need to solve for t, whatever that means.
No, I'm saying if you were to multiply.
You don't have to, you can do 2 times this.
That's what I was.
They both work. So that's that section, and then the last section. What is the last section? Oh, solve the log algebraically. So they'll give you like a log equation. So like, let's start with an easy one. 61.
Oh, we won.
Log base, they're writing log base 10? That's weird.
It's just one, right?
No, that's just log.
Log.
That is the log button on your calculator. And you might be like, but I can't type in z minus 3. You can, but it doesn't know what you mean.
Yeah.
So what would you do? How would you solve for z here?
10 to x.
Divide?
Change the form.
Change the form. Change it to exponential form. So 10 squared equals z minus 3. Ah, z equals 103. 100, add 3 to both sides. 100.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah, and if I plug it back in, 103 minus 3 is 100. 10 squared is, oh, it works.
Hey.
Let's do a harder one. Ooh, 65 looks nice.
Are you just doing all the odd numbers for us?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because he gave us all the even
because I assigned you all the evens.
He's real, but
That way I don't just get a list of answers. Oh yeah, I did them all. Log of x is 4 minus
Guess point there.
log of x equals log of x plus 2.
well,
Well, that's interesting.
Just do the rules.
So since it's minus, you're gonna.
divide it, yeah.
Divide, so the log of x plus 4 over x equals log of x
Can you
plus
take
So
one
then
to
it's
the
just
x?
log
Oh,
of
no.
4 equals log of x plus 2. Can you just do that?
No.
The x over with
But it is just log of 4.
No.
Well, it's
Yes.
not. You can't take away the x's.
Oh, you can't cancel those x's.
Why?
Because there's addition on top.
Oh.
It's like saying 3 plus 4 divided by 3 is 4. And in fact, it's 7/3.
Anyway.
Right? I always just put two numbers. Does that equal 4? No, it's 7/3. It's 2
But the threes cancel out.
No,
I was just kidding. Joe.
Didn't we have, I think you and I had that discussion at the beginning of the year.
Earlier in the year, yeah.
It's the same. Storage almost full?
No, low battery.
Again.
Oh, it was dead this morning. Okay, come on now, folks. Look at it. It's an equation, which means both sides need to be equal.
X plus 4 or x equals x plus 2.
Yeah. So if you got log and everything else is the same, we know.
Yeah, obviously.
Obviously.
Multiply x on both sides.
Yeah, this is gonna get crazy. X squared plus 2x.
Minus 2.
Ooh.
You're gonna have to throw them all on one side of the factor.
Yes, sir.
I don't know.
Equals 0, x squared. Gotta subtract x. Gotta subtract 4. Oh man, it's not factorable.
Yeah, it is.
That's not
That
factor.
is not factorable, Riley.
When you're ready.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Plus 2 minus 4. X
It's
equals.
not factorable, trust me. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That's 16, 17, negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 17 over 2.
Yeah.
Equals
Look
X.
at factorable. That's not factorable.
Yeah, it's not what factor
Could change it to a decimal, but why? Let's just move on.
Why?
not.
That's the exact answer. So yeah, there you go. That's what you're doing in your homework. Best of luck.
Well, look, you Tom, show up.
You just missed like all the